What's up everybody, Mike Salemi here, and today we're going deep on the kettlebell snatch, and what we're going to focus on specifically is the lowering phase. The lowering phase is where so many people have issues with, whether they tear their hands or they potentially injure their back. And so what I want to do is give you some tips, and we're going to focus on two different styles today that I'm excited to share with you. So let's get right into it and go over the lowering phase of the kettlebell snatch. Let's go ahead and get started, and I'm going to demonstrate the kettlebell snatch as I perform it. All right, so now for that movement, we took the bell from the backswing down below the body, one clean motion into the overhead lockout position. Now, when that kettlebell's dropping, you got to think, the kettlebell's going from here to this position, and there's so much distance. There's so many things that can happen, so many things that can go wrong on the lowering phase. And how you receive the kettlebell in the hands is really what I want to focus on right now. Now, there's two techniques that you'll tend to see out there, and you may be exploring or trying yourself. One is called more of an over-the-top lowering phase, and then what I just demonstrated, which is more of a corkscrew technique. So let me just show you what the over-the-top looks like, and then I can give you tips on both those variations. Now this version that I just showed, it's a little bit simpler. It's pretty much right up and down the middle. So a lot of people do enjoy that. But what I will say is the corkscrew technique, which I'm gonna lay down for you right now, it's a little bit more efficient, and let's talk about why. So when you're in the overhead position, the first thing that you're gonna do is you basically wanna deflect your body back. When you deflect your body back, notice what happens to my hand. I basically just lowered it maybe about 4 to 6 inches. That's about 4 to 6 inches that I've reduced the velocity that the bell's gonna be traveling down and reducing that pull on the hands. So the first thing that you're gonna do, and honestly, you can do this with both techniques, it really doesn't matter. First thing you're gonna do is slightly lean back. And now when you lean back, I think about rotating my shoulder and my arm up towards the sky. When you do that, notice what happens. It's gonna unlock your elbow. When you unlock your elbow, your idea is to basically connect your upper forearm to your torso as early as possible, which is going to reduce any pulling on your back as the kettlebell's falling down. The further away the bell is, the more it's going to want to bend and round your back. So let me go ahead and show it once again. So you're in this position. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to lean back. As you lean back, you're going to rotate your torso towards the front. Rotate your palm up, and then as quickly as you can, get that bell into the fingertips. So those are just some tips on the corkscrew drop. Again, irregardless of what technique you choose, try to keep it close to the body. You can lean back on both techniques, and the whole idea is to reduce the distance that the kettlebell has to lower from the top position into the lowering phase of the snatch. So I hope you enjoy that. The snatch is a technical lift. It's a complicated lift. If you enjoyed this video, please do comment what style of lowering phase are you doing right now? Are you doing that over the top? Are you doing the corkscrew? Which one do you want to learn? I want to hear where you're at and also what you would like most support with, because that's going to directly influence and impact the videos that I continue creating for you. So I hope you enjoyed today and you enjoy your kettlebell practice. Make it